When you, as a Jamaican kid, tried to thief out and go New Year's Eve party instead of watch night service.
Come, make your son get ready because you have to go and watch night service.
Yes, mommy, I'm going to watch night service.
And
now.
no child of mine will be late. You look good, like a child of God. Very decent. You have on your
Yes,
stockings?
mommy, I have on my stockings.
What is up at the top of your sweater right there, sir?
What you said, mommy?
What is that at the top of your sweater? That me at top. What is it?
Mommy.
Open up the sweater. What anybody see me dying trial? Oh! So you did plan for thief out to go New Year's Eve party? When
No,
you think
mommy.
you watch night service? Then I wish part you get that the blouse there.
This is the blouse that Auntie Beryl gave to me,
Shut
mommy.
up! I'm speaking. Oh, your clothes look so puff up.
I don't know, mommy.
Lift up the skirt.
Mommy.
Me say fi lift up the skirt and don't argue with me now. But what a cross is for me in the land of the living. Then I wish part you get them the shots there. Yes, trigger. Yes, street walker. You want to walk street and go involved with the little boy them. Eh? What is in the handbag?
Mommy, nothing is not.
What is in the handbag? The picnic take out down to all me boot. Look like you take me feed that in my one house. Well, you will find out tonight who's smarter than who. Just go and take off that blouse, you hear me? And go and take off that piece of shorts. And put on the right clothes. But you want a New Year's Eve party, eh? Go party in your book.
Yes, mommy.
Mama.
Yes. Me get some money from Auntie Beryl a while ago. Can me go over there, figure play a Chinese skip with Shandy. And Auntie Beryl said to me, say, Kimmy, I have something to give you. And he go in my pocket and take out the money and give me.
How much is it?
$350.
Alright, come. Give me, let me keep it for you.
I can't.
What?
Because I'm not sure if you'll give me back.
What's here? Yeah, pass your place.
Hey.
The biggest disappointment as a child in a Jamaican home.
Because you have to watch them, you know.
Mommy.
And you have to be vigilant. In here, because when we did go for collect my share of the partner draw.
Mommy.
What?
I want something to eat.
I am speaking. So when me collect my portion of the partner draw now, me realize to say $500 missing. So me ask Brother Earl, where is the rest of my partner draw? Brother Earl look at me and say,
Mommy.
am I thy partner's keeper? Me say, what a piece of outer hardness.
Mommy. I want something to eat, but I can't help myself.
Yes, you can help yourself. Brother Earl, he must say to me, now say, sister, come. Never throw for your partner last week, and that's why me end up come up short. But anyway, when me check it now, me realize say a little mistake me make. So me say, well, alright, then if I saw it go, then I saw it go.
Mommy. What happened to the cookies?
Pinya, what you do? Just put on my sewing kit, you hear me? Cha.
Hello, Miss Margaret.
Janet, is you that?
Mommy sent me for the letters.
Oh yes, me have them right here, so let me make sure sort them. And more of the letters right over there, so right by the cookie tin. You see the cookie tin right there, so on the counter? You can take it. It have some nice cookies in there.
But is sewing thing supposed to be in the cookie tin? If cookies in there, that means something wrong with the cookies. Why is she looking at the papers like that? I'm going to look in there, but I'm going to be vigilant. Cookies actually in there. Something alright, yeah, so. And I know that she don't like mommy because his mommy always bake the Christmas cake for church. And when Barrel did come, mommy never give her anything out of the barrel. So she trying to get back at mommy through me. Why she opening her eyes wide like that? But anybody see me dying trial? A poison, she a try poison me. Miss Margaret?
Yes.
It's okay.
Ah?
I'm not going to take the cookies.
Why you not taking them?
Mommy said that I must eat from people.
When a Jamaican parent is washing a child's face,
So
other
honey,
people
this is a special type of baby wash. It will not burn your eyes. So you can get all the splishy and splashy that you want.
Jamaicans,
Come, stand up, good and make me wash off your face properly. Chop. Give me your ears. Give me the next ears. I'm gonna know how to pick it can cut it so easy. Pick me turn in my bath and stop move up and down in there, you hear me? Cause if you drop in my bath, me you in here today.
Yes, mommy.
Now 16 out all your nose. Come, hold your head. Close your eye.
Mommy, the water cold.
What do you mean by the water cold? You pay for gas? You go eat up water from store, whole water good for your skin. Pop one like your cow. Very nice. Stop the water. Finish now.
nobody. That kid in school that just got a brand new yo-yo.
Jessica, you see my yo-yo? Guys, I can do it vertical too. You see my yo-yo? I can teach you. This one is the blue one, and my sister Shanake have the red one. It's two of them I have. Watch and see how I can do it 5 times in a row. 1, guys, 2. You see my yo-yo? This is the blue one. 3, 4, 5. It's the blue one. My auntie says it's translucent. You see it? Translucent. Yeah, it's translucent. Lucian? My auntie go to Woolworths in England all the time. And you can run it on the ground too. You can do it like this. It's because the ground is lean, why it didn't go.
Lucian, why are you late for class?
Sorry to be late for class, miss.
What?
But I was outside fixing my yo-yo. This is the blue one. It's translucent.
Give me the yo-yo.
Miss, I put it in my pocket, miss.
Give
Miss-
it to me.
Miss, my mother said that I must...
Don't let me have to repeat myself.
Take it from me, Missy. Too sure. Too sure.
When you ask your Jamaican mom where to put something, other people...
Mom, where must I put this?
Oh, excellent question, darling.
Just put it in the bathroom cupboard.
right under the UPVC pipe, and slightly central to the dryer sheets.
Jamaicans.
Mommy, where must I put this?
Come put it on my head. No, I know that you fi do. Ask me with it. You not live here? Since I visit you, I must be tourist. Should be up in my nose hole. Look how long you live here and you don't know which part to put that on now. Where you want me to, me?
Janet, don't do it. Janet, no do it, Miguel. Janet, don't!
Mommy, can you stoop down so that I can put this on your head?
Because...
When you tell your Jamaican mom you don't want to eat what they cook, other people...
Ew, I don't want any stinking collard greens. Get this
So
away
sorry,
from
darling.
me.
What do you want instead?
I want chicken nuggets.
Okay.
Jamaicans.
Come, eat up the callaloo and make sure you get the piece of yam underneath it.
Mommy,
What?
Mommy, I don't want any callaloo.
What you don't want to make a drench you with it? Like when them a drench cow calf, but you don't want callaloo to eat. You know how much people out the road are starved? I would have loved a little callaloo with a piece of yam. And you there the family food. You buy food inside here. In here look like restaurant to you. Me the carry menu come give you. Next thing you go on road and you drop down and they search your craft and it empty. And you bring down this grace for my house. So me not feed me picnic. But me have you in your star. You go nyam what I put in that plate, you see? Or see if you get nothing at all to eat. It's true, Kelly some mother give her chicken nuggets. You want chicken nuggets? You have chicken nuggets money. If you know what is good for you, you nyam that callaloo, you see? And you pass your place with me inside here. And close your mouth while you're chewing.
When your Jamaican parent sends you for something,
Then me not tell you, missus. Partner drives a hell of a thing, you know. If you don't understand how you go, if you're mad, you know. The schedule. All of them is supposed to have it in my bag. Oh, it don't look like it in my bag. Janet!
Yes, Mommy.
Pass the thing there, pan top of the round of the place there. Right side of the blue something beside the bed table, man. The thing what the thing fit the something.
Mommy, what thing is that I must bring?
The thing that what me I ask you for is one to you. Not the one Janet a go on like she not live here and she don't know me I talk about. But if I did money you want, you'd have find it already. This said I pick me and live to upset the apple cart. Underneath the blue Bible.
Yes, Mommy. Sit here, Mommy.
And what is? May I ask you for calculator? Just take this back from me and go look for the same thing what me I ask you for.
Mommy.
Yes, you find it?
Is your house or my house?
Excuse me?
Is your house or my house?
What do you mean if it is your house or my house? This is my house.
Then, Mommy, if it's your house, why you always expect me to know where things is?
What?
Because...